Hi.
Hi. Greetings. What
Greetings.
brings you here, Christine?
Coffee. Coffee brings me here.
Yeah, we're drinking black coffee.
Yes. How did you make this?
I put 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and my cup has 1 teaspoon of honey.
Oh, honey?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be nice.
You wanna taste?
Yeah.
It smells also better and like more fresh.
Yeah, it tastes better.
So what does bring us here? What are we doing here together? Us best friends.
What do best friends usually do? Just simply come and talk.
What do? We
What
talk
is-
about anything and everything. We eat food.
Mm-hmm.
We watch shows. okay. What was
We
that?
watch shows. Yes. Please continue.
Yes, we watch shows, movies, anime, discuss food, what we liked, any new things we tried out, if they were shit or if they were good, and then end up ordering momos or dumplings or whatever. We will have another episode about that, the history of dumplings.
You want to research about the dumpling
Let's
history?
debunk momos.
Let's do that. Then we'll realize what we're eating also.
Yeah, and
What's
why
going on?
everywhere in like the East Asian part of the continent,
Has different.
and they make
Names
it
for the-
differently and they
yeah.
have different names for it.
Okay.
We'll save that for another episode.
Yes.
My name is Karishma.
I am Christine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, so we've been friends for
10 years.
yeah. We've been saying 10 years for a long time, but this year we've actually hit 10 years. And we're starting a podcast on our 10-year anniversary of our friendship.
Yes. Let's celebrate, dude.
We
10
should
years.
celebrate. Holy shit. We met each other in 5th grade.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember that day very, very vividly.
Even I do. You were so cocky.
I was an asshole. I had a lot of unresolved issues and anger in me as a 5th grader.
Yeah, you were pretty intense. True.
Yeah. And I was like, instantly I gave you attitude and I regretted it. I was like, shit, why did I do that? Why did I do that? In my head, you remember, I just like looked away.
Yeah.
But when I was looking away, in my head, I was like, fuck, why did I do that? I should be making friends. This is my first day in 5th grade.
And you did that when there were barely any students in the class. We were just 6 in one class.
So the school I just joined was very new.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very new. Like a newborn baby new.
Yes.
Barely a year old. And I had just moved to this new place. The first day I gave attitude. But hey, it worked out.
It did. There were a lot of bumps here and there, but
Yeah. A lot of small bumps, nothing major. Nothing that I think at least nothing that broke or hampered our friendship, because we wouldn't have survived this long if something really happened to our friendship along the way.
I think the biggest part about us lasting this long is because we have this attitude that if something is going on between us, we just give each other space, like ignore each other for a long time. That's
This
what,
comes after us having one of our biggest arguments the other day.
yeah.
We had, oh god, I hated it. I hate fighting with her so much. I literally cried that entire day.
And I didn't even have a room to go into, okay?
Yeah.
Like, I don't have a room to go into. Lock myself in.
Stop into it, like, yeah.
Yeah.
I
And
know.
everyone is seeing my face, so frustrated, so angry.
But I think your family dynamic is such a open one that I don't think closed doors or like closed rooms would work, except for Kenneth, your brother.
Yeah, well, he needs a closed room.
Yeah.
Otherwise, but
Yeah, he has his own zone, man. I've
He
been
does.
there. Holy shit. It's like a man cave, but like for a teenager.
It's funny that, you know, he is able to do such a thing, but his school, his teachers are not able to recognize that he's able.
Yeah.
We
Age
also
out of
went through
school.
this, no?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You remember a teacher bullying you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm triggered. Oh, god damn it. I'm triggered. Holy shit. Okay, no. I'm going to contain myself till we record that. Okay.
Yes, that's another time we'll have.
I think the people that we know from school who probably are going to be listening to this know exactly who we're talking about. She literally flunked me on. Okay, you know what? No. Moving on. What else
Let's
do we
talk
have?
about where we are right now.
I have my dog sitting right next to us and is surprisingly quiet.
Cosmo is a lab, right?
Yeah, Cosmo is a Labrador, 7-year-old Labrador. He's so cute. Oh my god.
This coffee was so good. I really drank the whole thing.
And I'm not even halfway through.
It's been so long since I had black coffee, seriously.
Yeah, I make good black coffee. I make good coffee, period. Because I am a coffee drinker and I love coffee. So I'm good at it. I sip my drinks.
I don't like it cold. I drink it before.
Yeah, I have a habit of sipping drinks. Alcohol, soda, Sprite.
Oh, I've seen you with alcohol.
I
You
don't
sip.
chug.
No, you don't.
I don't chug. Oh
Okay,
my
fine. You gulp.
I mean, if it's a shot, you have to like not sip. You have to chug.
It's not the glass. You drink alcohol like you're drinking water. You don't sip water.
When has this happened and why don't I remember this?
Oh, this has happened in my house. During a Christmas party.
Yes, Christmas. There's an entire story time.
Oh, in
There
Christmas?
is something that happened that I don't think you know. Or I don't think you remember.
What, should I just pause right now and ask you what is this?
No, we're gonna save this.
Okay, next episode is about Christmas. I need to know about this.
No, next episode is going to be about a show that we started watching because it's about best friends, and we thought that what better way to kick off this podcast by talking about a show that's about best friends. It might be good, it might be bad. We don't know.
I have few things to say about that show.
We do have opinions. So stay tuned for the next episode that we will be recording today itself. So you guys will be able to listen to it next week, next Wednesday from now. But we will be recording it now, like right after this trailer teaser situation.
It's so hot.
It
Oh
is
God.
so hot.
What is the temperature?
I think it's like 32 degrees Celsius.
32?
But the place we live in is very humid.
Very humid.
I speak weird. I've noticed that. I have a very weird, distinct way of speaking.
It's not just speaking.
It's not just speaking. What?
The speaking part about you is not the only thing that... Way before, I think. When we met only, I told you you're weird.
Yeah, 10 years ago, ladies and gentlemen, she called me weird. And that's where our friendship flourished.
True. You know, that's the thing. Even with the show that we're going to talk about, their
There
dynamic...
are so many parallels,
Yeah.
but differences.
Yep. And you know, their dynamic is so different. Like, if I had to compare their relationship with ours, I would be like, oh, is this what means by best friendship? This is how it's supposed to be?
So stay tuned, okay? We have a lot in store, a lot of episodes we've talked about right now that we're going to possibly have in the future. So stay tuned.
Yep.
Because we are interesting, we're not boring people. And we promise you that.
At least our talks are not boring. For us.
For us. So if you do like it, share it with anyone and everyone you can think of. If you don't like it, still share it with everyone and anyone you can think of.
Yes. Even if you don't like it, keep listening because
You'll find
Somehow-
more things to not like.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Exactly.
I'm pretty sure.
Stay tuned for things you don't like
Exactly.
or could like. Who knows?
Who knows? Because we do talk about a bunch of things. We are going to talk about a bunch of things. And I'm sure we can find common ground on some things. Yeah, no, we should definitely talk about genetics also one day. I think that's an interesting that sort of maps your ancestry.
Yeah, okay.
We should do that too.
You know,
Talk about
there's a
genetics.
whole. So apparently, my dad's side of the family is pretty famous, and they have a whole family magazine about themselves.
Magazine.
Yes. So there's a whole history from where they come, everything like that. Our assets, the
Interesting.
dukedoms we.
I did
own.
not know this about you. Yeah, you learn something new every day about a best friend of 10 years too.
Yes, I need to learn about the Christmas party also.
Looking forward to it. So, just a few details about the podcast. We will be uploading every Wednesday. Stay tuned. We are on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, SoundCloud, potentially, Anchor, anywhere and everywhere. So, check out our Instagram at The Lady and Woman, where you will have updates about everything as well as the links to everything. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any feedback, any input, make sure to comment, review, 5-star us. Why not? Comment on our Instagram posts. Tell us what you think about this episode. Tell us what we should talk about. There's so much potential for us to talk about, and we do not limit ourselves to anything. What do you think, Christine?
All I think right now at this point is that I like talking to you who is listening to me.
I like talking to you.
You know, the only thing about this is that we agreed to doing this podcast is because we had a lot to say to each other, and we'll listen to each other. I think that's the best part. So if you have something to say too, we'll be there listening to you, thinking about what you've been saying.
Exactly.
And
you are as much a part of this as we are. You know?
Yeah.
You are our third best friend. Huh.
Third
Nice.
best friend.
Let's see. That's a little cliched. We do get corny sometimes. So there is definitely a lot in store. So you should definitely stay tuned. You know, subscribe to us on whatever platform you're listening to us on. If you think we are boring, well,
Still keep listening to us.
yeah, keep listening to us. You can listen to us while going to sleep. Hey man.
Our voice is so soothing that you sleep in 5 seconds.
Yeah, and we sometimes do ASMR too. So if you're into that sort of thing, let us know. Wink, wink.
Wink, wink. Did you just do wink, wink? Okay.
This pandemic has been absolute shite, okay?
It's not that bad. I enjoy staying at home so much.
I do. I love it. I love not interacting with anyone in person, like barely. And I love that. But I also wanted to like run away from home. But I think this is like a good productive outcome of the entire pandemic situation, you know, like there's so much bad happening around the world. So much channel our energies to something positive and create something fun, you know, that can entertain each other, the both of us and you, the listener.
How are you feeling, listener?
How are you feeling, listener? How is your day? Was it good?
How was your day?
Was it bad? Let us know.
Yes.
We are here. We are here to listen to you
And talk to you.
and talk to you. So let's see. Stay tuned next Wednesday for the first official episode of the Lady and Woman podcast. That is the name. We haven't even spoken about, we haven't even mentioned the name of the podcast yet, but
You did before.
I did. Oh, right, yeah, while mentioning the account, Instagram account.
Yes.
Yeah. So, this is the Lady and Woman podcast. Yeah, this is going to be a pain while editing. But, yeah, we don't really, we just are very realistic individuals in our worldview. maybe a little too idealist, but I think we just want everyone to enjoy themselves, you know, do whatever you want, enjoy
Exactly.
yourselves, have your likes, dislikes, hobbies, passions, you know, just no hate. If you don't like something, just ignore it.
Exactly. Ignore.
But don't ignore this podcast if you hate us. That is one exception.
Yeah. So everyone
I think
will
in
have
the
different
future,
opinions.
we will have guests over from different backgrounds and beliefs and religions who have their own perspective on these things. And started off by talking about momos and dumplings and shit, and now we're like religion and belief and God. So, see you guys on
Wednesday.
Wednesday.